It is like a light pineapple flavor, which shocks most people. What you don't get is what you get with what is just a greens powder, which is this like heavy, grassy, like, oh, I have to hold my nose to get it down. It's a drink. Like it's not like it's something that's so strong, you got to take it in a shot and like grin and bear it. I was on Professor Galloway's podcast, and he's been a customer, and he's like, you know what? He's like, it tastes earthy enough to know that it's the good stuff, but good enough to drink it every day. And I'm like, well, I don't know that we would use that as our marketing slogan, but I think that's fair. That of course it's full of really high quality shrooms and phytonutrients and minerals. And so yeah, earthy and green is definitely a base, but it doesn't taste like that greens, grasses, barley, wheatgrass, etc. It tastes like grass because it's grass. This is just so much more, but the natural pineapple with a light citrus is the flavor note that everybody picks up.